Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know, today we will start our second chapter which is more on Windows. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as I said, our chapter is Windows. So what is Windows? Question is what is Windows? So we can say Windows is an operating system. If anyone asks what is Windows, so you can say Windows is an operating system. So now the second question is what is a operating system? So the answer is operating system is a program that manages the computer hardware and other software application. It means Windows is a software which is used to manage our hardware and application software also, or we can say operating system is the most important software for our computers and our mobile phones also. As you can see, operating system works as a mediator between user and computer. It means if a user want to communicate with a computer and want to do any work on a computer, so then he needs a operating system as a mediator to work on a computer system. So there are some operating systems, as you can see. First one is Windows that we generally use, Linux, Ubuntu, Macs, and Android. As you know, Android is basically used with our mobile phones. Mac operating system is basically of Apple's, and there are some operating system like Windows, Linux, and Ubuntu also, which are being used. So now get back to our topic, which is Windows. So what is Windows? So Windows is a series of operating system. Windows is series of operating system which is developed by Microsoft. So this is an important point, that Windows is developed by Microsoft. So if anyone asks who developed Windows, so you can say that Windows is developed by Microsoft. Each version of Windows includes a graphical user interface, or we can say GUI, which is graphical user interface. Now what is the meaning of GUI? I will tell you this also. First see the GUI with a desktop that allows user to view files and folders in Windows. For the past 2 decades, Windows has been the most widely used operating system for personal computers. So this is the important point, that Windows is the mostly using operating system for our personal computers or PCs. So now let's take an example of GUI, which is graphical user interface. So as you can see this image, this is a GUI, graphical user interface. GUI, graphical user interface, means, as you can see, by seeing the icons you can also recognize the working of them. As you can see, this icon indicate the alarm, this is for game, this is for camera, this is for videos, settings, calendar, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So you can easily recognize each and every file and folder by seeing them. So this is called GUI. You can recognize any file and folder by the icons. So this is a part of GUI. I hope now it's clear. So Windows 10. So we are talking about Windows, but the most important point is which is the latest version of Windows. So we can see Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows. So as you can see, Windows 10 is the latest and most secured version of Windows introduced by Microsoft with advanced and much improved feature. It is easy to use and provides user friendly environment. So that is it for today. This is the introduction class of our second chapter. In next video we will learn this chapter in more detail. So thank you so much, students.